How to add a journey. Once you've signed up to Liftshare, you'll need to add a journey to find a match. There are two ways to do this, as a driver or as a passenger. First, you need to sign into your account. Once on your profile dashboard, you will see a box in the top right-hand corner, Add a Journey. Click here to start adding a journey as a driver. Next, input your start location and your destination. We use Google Places to help you, and your organisation may offer suggested locations in the drop-down bar on the right. Select whether you are travelling as a driver, passenger, or interested in both. The journey frequency section allows you to select whether your journey happens on a regular commute, just once, or use the custom schedule to diarise. Click Next to add the dates and times of your journey. If you are part of a community, you can choose who your journey is visible to. By selecting any member, your journey is available to share across our Liftshare network. If you want to make your journey even more customised, click Show Further Details to highlight the number of seats and luggage spaces available, what you're happy with in your car, and add some notes. Click Post Journey and your journey will be available to share. To search for a journey match as a passenger, go to your Liftshare profile dashboard. At the top of the page, you will see an option to Find a Lift. Input your start location and destination. Your passenger trip will then be posted. You can be more specific with the date and time using the Any Date and Leave Any Time drop-downs. By selecting more filters, you can widen your search radius to enable more match results. You are also able to search within a specific gender if you feel more comfortable doing so.